Solve for the indicated variable a equals p plus prt. We want to solve this equation for t. Okay, so this is the formula for the simple interest, this future value for simple interest. It's really not that important, right? But when it says solve for t, what does that mean? Well, this equation here, or this formula, this is solved for a, right? This is solved for a because the a variable is by itself, okay? So when it says solve for t, that means, okay, we want to get the t by itself. So we want to remember, the key is we have to use the correct algebra here, okay? Now you notice that there's a plus here, right? Okay. So that's separating these two terms. Okay, so using the properties of equality, we always want to use the addition or subtraction property first. So that means let's subtract p to both sides. Okay, so what happens on the left, right? A minus p is equal to, then on the right side, these p's cancel out. So a minus p is equal to prt. Now notice that p and r and t, these are all being multiplied together. So now, in order to get the t isolated or by itself, we would need to divide both sides by pr. And the key is we have to divide the whole left side by pr as well. Okay, so what happens? Well, pr divided by pr, those just cancel out. So we are just left with t, which is good, right? That's what we want to solve for. But notice, what do we have on the other side? What does t equal here? Right, t is equal to a minus p, all of that, right, over pr.